Binance, the ultimate crypto trading and investing platform. Loads of pairs, great charts, very low commission fee of just 0.1% and easy to deposit one's funds into without incurring an extra fee. Now compare this to Coinbase garbage that charges 3.8% just for the privilege of depositing money onto account into BTC. And then there's a 0.5% per trade fee. So that's 4.3% for your first crypto trade, i.e. deposit in sterling then convert into, for instance, USDC. So Coinbase appears to be designed to extract funds from customers via high commission fees. So what's the problem? Why am I even doing this video warning about Binance when it's apparently so much better than Coinbase? Well, whereas Coinbase seeks to extract funds from customers via high commission fees, Binance does it via sucking traders into the vortex of its derivative products. There are so many of these high risk products that I've ever seen on any trading platform in some 35 years of trading that I personally would not touch with a barge pole. Let's see what happens when someone attempts to capitalize on a fall in the crypto markets, i.e. Bitcoin falling from 64k to 32k. That's a 50% drop in price, for which Binance offers derivative products such as its down markets, i.e. you buy Bitcoin down to profit from a fall in the Bitcoin price that is leveraged times 2 to the fall in the price of Bitcoin. So one would expect if Bitcoin price falls by say 50% in price, then the result should be a gain of 100% in the inverse token. You know, okay, in real life it would not be 100% because of the way the percentages up and down work, i.e. a 10% gain is greater price move than a 10% drop. Nevertheless, one would expect to at least make say 50% from a 50% drop in the Bitcoin price. Well, this is what happened to Bitcoin down versus the Bitcoin price. Binance traders have been well and truly Bogdanoffed. You know, Bogdanoffed. You know who Bogdanoffed twins are, don't you? The crypto meme. Well, they've been Bogdanoffed, screwed out of their money. Just look at it. Supposed to go up when Bitcoin price falls. Instead, it fell further as Binance effectively scammed holders out of their funds. They were well and truly Bogdanoffed. And the same holds true for all of these other down, so-called down. When the price falls, they're supposed to profit, but they never did. Okay, so let's take a look at Sushi down. Look at that. The price of Sushi collapsed, but the price of Sushi down went down as well. Let's bring up the Sushi. What is it? Sushi up or Sushi? Yeah, let's look at this. What you got? So that's the price of Sushi. Yeah, it fell 17th of May from 22 to a low of 7. So what did Sushi down do? Let's go into 20. Was it 25th of May? Was it 17th of May? Let's go 17th of May. We'll forget this earlier drop. 17th of May. Look, it went from 0.04 to currently 0.1. So it's lost 75% of its value. And this whilst Sushi coin has fallen from 22 to 8. That is the Binance scam in action across the whole market. If you look at Sushi up, let's look compared to Sushi up. That's fell. Look how ridiculous this is. You got one for betting on Sushi price going up. They're supposed to go up. And you got another one betting on sushi price going down. They're supposed to go up when the sushi price goes down. And what's happened? They've both gone down. Let's zoom out. So they're similar. What's that? March. Go from March to March. There we go. So look. Sushi up and sushi down. Do you see the nature of the scam? Now during this period, the sushi price has fallen from about maybe, I think about 35 to 8. Sushi down has gone from 1 to fallen by 99%. Yeah. And during this period, sushi up has fallen from about 120, similar 99%. Well, 90%. No, 99%. So both sushi up and sushi down have fallen by 99%. That is the nature of the scam in operation. It's designed, the platform is designed to extract money from noobs who are thinking they're smarter than what they actually are. It's why I do not use Binance futures. I recommend you don't. I do not use any of these futures derivative products because they're designed to extract funds from you. Let's look what BTC up has done. Now don't tell me they did the same for that. It's not to the same as, well, it's fallen from 200 to a low of 46. That's 25. So it's fallen double. It's times 2. So it's leveraged. It doesn't say it's leveraged times 2, or is there leveraged 1.8 times leverage. So yeah, that has moved how you would expect it. 200 half. So it's 50% down. Yeah, so this has moved how you would expect it to move. Now let's look at BTC down, which should have gone up by a similar amount. Let's look at what the leverage is, 2.1, and look at what it's done over the same period. So BTC up, yes, has fallen as you would expect it to fall, but those who bought BTC down, on expecting that they would make 75% profit, because if it's 2 times, it's more leverage than this. Instead it's this, they get this. You know, they would have bought it, say sold it in here. Is it March? Well, let's see, when was the high? 13th of April. Say they, or let's say they sold it here 13th of March. Yeah, 13th of March. What was the price? 13th of March was 0.04. Well, I'll call it 0.05. Yeah, 0.05, and today it's 0.06. So it's barely budged, and this is with, and this is on remember, this is leveraged. So it'd be 2 times the drop in the Bitcoin price. Yeah. So it should be roughly, it should be, look, on the 14th of March 0.06, and now it's 0.0, just below 0.06, so slightly lower, but you would expect this 0.06 to be gone up by 150%. So it should be 12, 15, about 15. It should be trading at around here. My rough calculation. 100% plus half, 9 plus 6, 15. Yeah, so instead of trading here, it's lower than where it was when the Bitcoin price was high. That shows you the nature of the scam that Binance is operating. You want to stay clear of these derivatives. The design options will be even worse. They will be even worse because of they'll inflate the distance out of the money inflate the value so they'll never be achieved, and then they will use some scam tactic like they've used here, where even if the price moves in your favor, they'll base it, what they'll do with these options, they'll base them on not the spot, they'll base them on one of their contracts. Like say if it's based on BTC USD down, so if that's not moved, then your option will expire worthless. We can have a quick look at options if you want. A new scam. What is it on? Call options on index. But what is the index? You can't trust Binance's derivatives. They don't make it clear what you're actually trading on, so that they can make sure that your options expire worthless. Now, what is the index price? What is this index? Call option on what? I'm just using this for the. Now I'm steering clear well of these, so I've not even opened an account. I don't want to get sucked into this scam vortex. So we'll leave that alone and go back, because this is bad enough of a scam without you getting sucked into options. Their versions of options which are designed to ensure you don't make any money, just as the BTC up and down are designed that you should not make money. Look, imagine if someone clueless who shorted it say in an earlier peak, so if you shorted it here on the 22nd of February when Bitcoin's around 60, well this is the BTC up, when it's around 60,000, say you shorted it on mid-February at 60,000, how much would you have made? Mid-February, you would have got a price of 13.13. So since then Bitcoin is about halved, and so has the BTC down halved. And this is when the market's moved in your direction. Imagine for all these poor souls who used BCT up, trading it higher, they would have made nothing. Obviously it's engineered. Binance seems to be engineered to extract money from traders, and they use scam tactics such as this. So instead of your money going up by say double, so 100%, you know, from going from say 13 in mid-Feb, around 13, from around 13 going up to at least 26, it's halved. So 13 would have doubled to 26 here, but they can't allow you to make money. Binance can't allow you to take money to profit from them, because they'll be the counterparty. There's no market, they're the counterparty. If everybody's betting on down, they're betting against Binance, and Binance will ensure that you don't make money. Only they make money. This is why the trading fees are 0.1%. Why do you think it's so easy that you get all this platform for free and a very low 0.1% trading fee? 0.1% trading fee, because they're going to extract the money from you with their derivatives. If this is a word of warning, if do not use stop losses, do not trade on margin, stay clear of this P2P, do not trade stock tokens, do not trade any of the derivatives products. They are all designed to extract funds from you. If you want to invest because it is the best exchange in terms of functionality, then just buy, use the platform to buy, and if you've got a sizable holding, then transfer to a wallet off exchange. That's what I would say to how to use Binance, because the platform is designed to scam money out of you, as I've just demonstrated in this video. Bitcoin price falls, and the derivative that's supposed to profit from the Bitcoin price has fallen as well, halved. Instead of going up by twice, because that's what the leverage is, 2 times, it's fallen by half since the high. So no wonder I'm imagining people who use this instrument will be tearing their hair out, because they have been well and truly scammed by Binance. So take this as a word of warning of how Binance scams you, and do remember to subscribe to this YouTube video for new videos, and do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for my just published extensive analysis of the crypto markets, extensive covering everything from black swan events to scams such as this. I also cover the scams, all of the scams out there, comparing platforms, and a trend forecast for the Bitcoin price into the end of this year, as well as a model portfolio that I would consider constructing during the great bear market, crypto bear market that is just beginning, that I'm seeking to profit from. Here's the great crypto bear market. It's gonna go well. I originally penciled this, this buy, I penciled this in months ago, around in mid-March, and now after doing my extensive analysis I've revised it. So to check out what my revisions are and where I actually expect Bitcoin to trade down to during the great bear market of 2021, for which I'm going to trend forecast into the end of this year, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month. That has first been made available to patrons who support my work. So for immediate first access to all of my analysis and forecast, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month. So you get that analysis, and I've got my forthcoming schedule analysis, more 10x stocks, probably biotech again, which is about 30% complete, and then look at UK house prices, and I'll eventually get around to completing how to get rich, which is actually 70% done. Then further along in my schedule is a look at the US dollar and British pound and gold and silver. So do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month, as we defend ourselves, protect ourselves from the rampant money printing inflation by the central banks. Insane money printing as though it's not going to feed through into wage and price inflation. Big inflation is coming, as I've been flagging for over 6 months, more like a year now. That's why I was saying last year, if you're thinking of buying big ticket items, do it now before the price hikes, which have transpired. I bought a Culture K7 for £340. Current price on Amazon is, was it £565, and similar for lots of other tech items I bought. For instance, the components in my PC that I ordered in January and got delivered in March was £3,100. Current price of the components is over £4,000. Crazy, the inflation is here, and it is accelerating regardless of what the indices say. So protect yourselves by investing in assets that are leveraged to inflation, and AI tech stocks are leveraged to inflation and are about to get discounted. So do subscribe to my YouTube channel for such analysis, and do consider becoming a patron. Crypto Mania. Forget Dogecoin. Today I'm going to be mining budgie coin. What you need is a budgie. Just need one budgie to start crypto mining with budgie coin. Ooh, that's an angry bird. Eh? You're angry today, Mr. Green. So, this is how you mine budgie coin. Get rich, get Dogecoin. Right, we need to grab that bougie. Yeah, it's a bougie coin, not budgie coin. Bougie. Come here, bougie. I need you. Hey, what are you trying to bite me for? We need a bougie. Take my bougie coin. There you go. Got a couple of bougies. Which one's more profitable? Green bougie or the blue bougie? I'm not sure at the moment. I have to check the exchange rate. Definitely the green bougie is more noisy, more aggressive. It's more aggressive to mine with the green bougie. Okay, so let's start mining with the blue bougie, the bougie coin, the blue bougie coin. Once you get one bougie, the others will come.